How to shut down your laptop by using only keyboard. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can shut down your laptop by using your keyboard. It's a very easy and simple video, so you have to watch this video till the very end. So first of all, you have to look at your keyboard. On your keyboard you will get this Windows button and this X button over here. So you have to press these two buttons at the same time, and then you will get a interface like this. So now all you got to do, you have to press the U button over here on your keyboard. So press the U button, and then these four options will appear, and the third one is shutdown. So all you got to do, you have to press this U button over here to shut down your laptop. So now I'm gonna press this U button to shut down my laptop, and as you can see that my laptop is shutting down right now. So following this simple process, you can also shut down your laptop without using mouse. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.